bring hello world, the first program in Python. If you didn't install Python, you just need to first download it. Download Python. I think the last version is 3.8. So when you download it, you will install. They are already installed. So you will go to the terminal and you give this command Python. Now you are in Python. So let's print, for example, hello world. Hello world. So it gives us back the answer hello world. Or also we can do some other functions like 2 minus 2, 1 minus 2, for example, 20 plus 3, for example. Another way is by extending Python file. So you come to the text editor and let's make your text again. So we say, for example, print hello world. So we save hello.py. Py is the extension of Python, and we'll save it in our desktop. Let's create a new folder and name it Python. So now we have our file in Python hello.py. So we'll go to the terminal and you will say cd desktop / our folder name Python. Let's take list. Our list is hello world. That's our file. So we say Python 3 is the Python I have installed. Python 3 hello.py, and at the same time it will give us back the answer hello world.